this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.